Hi, I'm Kelsey Caruli, Senior Celebrity Reporter at Realtor.com, and here are the biggest celebrity real estate stories making headlines this week. Spencer Pratt and Heidi Montag returned to the site of their $2.5 million Pacific Palisades mansion, which was burnt down during the 2025 California wildfires. The couple visited the property with their two sons and even camped there overnight while reflecting on the memories they made. They previously admitted that they could not afford to rebuild there. Meanwhile, on the East Coast, Amy Schumer is showing off the dramatic transformation of her $6.25 million Upper West Side apartment, which she purchased following her split from husband Chris Fisher. The comedian gave fans a rare glimpse inside the Lux pad, describing it as her dream home over a year after purchasing it. And finally, Olympic skiing icon Lindsey Vonn has slashed the price of her Beverly Hills mansion to $4.25 million. She confirmed that she's fully embraced life in Utah after moving there in search for a quieter lifestyle. For more information on celebrity real estate stories, head to Realtor.com's News and Insights page.